In a historic verdict in the Ayodhya land dispute case, the Supreme Court ruled that the Muslims will get an alternative site for masjid. The Supreme Court has directed the centre to set up a board of trustees in 3 months. The possession of the inner and outer courtyard has been given to this trust. This trust will then monitor the construction of a temple on the disputed land. Possibly settling the dispute for now, the controversial piece of land has been given to the Hindus. The Supreme Court observed that Muslims had last offered namaz at the site in 1949, whereas Hindus continued their worship in the outer courtyard of the site while they believed that the birthplace of Lord Ram was in the inner courtyard of the mosque. However, the court said it would not rule on matters of faith. 5 acres of land will be given to the Sunni Waqf Board at an alternative site to set up a masjid in Ayodhya itself. Before reading out the verdict, the CJI said that the court will not interfere in matters of faith but will preserve balance. The CJI concluded the fact that the Babri Masjid was not built on vacant land as submitted by the Archaeological Survey of India. The ASI had also submitted that there was a structure underlying the disputed structure. However, the SC also said that nothing indicated that the said structure was a temple. However, the ASI had also found that a temple did in fact exist in the disputed site. With this, Supreme Court verdict concludes the decades-old Ayodhya land dispute case that has been India's most significant and sensitive litigation.